Hey sweeties, I'm doing a little kitchen cleaning this morning before I go out grocery shopping. I'm doing grocery pickup. I ordered my groceries online, and when I come back I want to have a clean counter. We're going to do a clean side and a dirty side. I'll show you how we're going to unpack our groceries and clean them up before we put them away. But first you want to start with a clean kitchen counter.
Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Now let's get into it.
So my counter is scrubbed down. You can use I'm sorry for the echo. It's kind of empty in here right now. I'll get into that in another video. You can spray with like an all-purpose cleaner that's got, those 99%, kills 99% of viruses and bacteria, 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. You can spray that on and follow the instructions. Like, it'll tell you, spray it down to sanitize your countertop. You leave for 10 seconds for wiping, and to disinfect something, leave for 2 minutes before wiping. And if it's going to come in contact directly with food, then you want to rinse it off. So you want to disinfect, sanitize, follow the label, and do what it says. My kitchen counter is clean. I'm waiting on the message that my groceries are ready. They supposed to be ready between 10 and 11. Was it 11 and noon? Nope, it was between 11 and noon, so I'm a little bit early. But I'm ready. I got my makeshift mask. I'm not going in the store though. I'm just gonna drive in. You get on the app and let them know you're ready, and then they just load the stuff into the back of your car. So I'm not going in the store, but mask just to be on the safe side. I hope y'all are being safe and get your masks. I don't know. Make a homemade mask. This is out of a piece of cloth my daughter gave me, and some hair bands. Better than nothing, I guess. I don't know. Confusing times. I just got a notification from Walmart that my order is going to be late. Just no big deal. I got time. Well, I'm glad they do send you a notification that your order is running late. So they'll send another notification when it's ready. I'm going to watch People's Court. Or maybe I'll take a nap. I'm a little bit sleepy. And then I'll just go get it later. All right, we got that notification that our groceries are ready for pickup from Walmart. So I'm going to head over there. It is a couple hours late, 2 hours late. I'm sure it's been super busy with everybody placing their orders on the app. So it's to be expected that things are a bit delayed. So we're off, and I'll be back. Okay, we're here. Groceries should be on the way. I'm just going to go ahead and open the back so that they don't have to touch the handle. I'm going to hop back in the car. All right, we are back from our grocery store run. We've got our groceries over here. We're going to consider this the dirty side. Not that it's really dirty, but it's all of the grocery bags that have not been decontaminated yet. And then we've got this clean side where everything, the whole surface, washed it down. So I'm going to take each thing out, wipe it down with a disinfecting wipe, or soak a paper towel in some of this Lysol cleaner and then wipe down the packages. Then I can move them from the dirty side, clean, and put them on the clean side. I'm using a disinfectant wipe to clean this milk jug. I actually try to conserve those so I don't use them very often for the groceries. You want to make sure you clean all around it, especially the handle where someone else is most likely to have picked it up, and the bottom, and then move it to the clean side of your counter. Another way to do this is to soak a paper towel in a disinfectant spray and then wipe down the product that you're trying to clean. And always read the label on that. This is the outside of the plastic, so it doesn't come into contact with the actual produce. And this label says to make sure you saturate
the surface you're trying to clean, and that's what I'm going to do, and then put it over on the clean side of the counter and let it sit. I don't have any gloves right now, so I'll just make sure I wash my hands thoroughly before and after. They gave us a little gift bag when we went to pick up our order, and this is something they were doing before the crazy. They would give little gifts. Let's see what's in there. Lumify. I don't think I need that. We'll clean it off. Maybe I'll see if someone else around here wants it, but we'll go through the gift bag and see what they got. Let's see what else. Nope, won't be needing that either. No, no, thank you. Is that a little bottle of body wash? I keep that. That could be handy. Oh, little makeup wipes? Yes, please. Thank you. And tinted moisturizer, which is not my shade, but maybe my daughter. No, she don't wear that. We'll just continue saturating, a paper towel and cleaning the rest of our groceries, and we'll proceed like this until we're all done, and then we can put these groceries away. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I have worked with Walmart before to promote their grocery pickup service, but I've been using them before I worked with them, and I've been using them ever since. I use it actually pretty frequently, more now though. So I might be going a little overboard with the produce, but I get a little freaked out about other people picking my produce, so I'm going to get a bowl of warm, soapy water and wash my peppers, my avocados, my limes, and just, kind of give them a little wash and thorough rinse before I put them away. Yeah, I don't know. Is that too extra? Using a little bit of dish soap in there? I don't know. What do you think? Am I being too extra adding dish soap into the water when I'm cleaning my produce? What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know. How are you cleaning your produce when you bring it in the house? I just spend a little time washing each one under warm soapy water, just kind of like you're washing your hands. This is 20 seconds piece. I think that should help. These are the last few things. I'm just going to go ahead and directly spray them with cleaner and wipe it around a little bit because I'm tired now. I'm tired of doing this now, but I do want to make sure everything gets cleaned. All right, one more thing. Yes, that's right. Judge someone else. Yes, we got a whole big box of pink wine. I ordered limeade for the family, and it wasn't in my order. I'm gonna have to go back and check my receipt. It was jacked up. This order, something went wrong with it. But anyway, I did order limeade for everybody to drink, and wine especially for me, but the limeade didn't make it into the order, so I don't know what they're gonna drink, but I'm gonna be okay. We've cleaned off all our packaging. We can put all our groceries away now, and I feel better. I feel better that I'm not bringing germs into the house. Now we just clean off our counter where all of our groceries were in and make sure that is nice and disinfected. So far, Walmart is the only store that I've done the order on the app and then pick your groceries up at the store with. I know Kroger does it as well. Have you tried any other grocery store pickup or delivery? Let me know in the comments. All right, I got all my groceries put away. I'm exhausted after that. But I think it's always best to play it safe and just clean the packaging out. So if you want another great video, I'll put a link right there. And then subscribe right here. Thanks so much and have a delicious day.